Good morning, students. Welcome to your English Literature classroom. So, class 3, today we will read some new spellings from your WPS book. So, open page number 30 and you have to read the spelling with correct pronunciation. See, the first word is chew. EW is sounded as U, and we have already read so many times CH is sounded as cha. So by adding CH it will be chew, like you are eating something by chewing, using when you bite something using your teeth, that is called chew. Then flew, FLEW, flew. See, EW is sounded as U, and by adding FL it will be flew. We know fly means like birds fly, like moving in the air using wings, that is called fly, and its past form is flew. Crew, rhyming word of flew and chew, crew, 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 one syllable. And here crew means a group of people who work in a ship, that is called crew. Threw, 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 EW is U, and THR, if we add THR it will be threw. The past form of throw is called threw, and we know the meaning of throw, like he is throwing the ball to her brother. That means to propel something in the air using our hands. Price, price means the amount of something which we need to buy that thing, that is called price. Like the chocolate is the price of the chocolate is 50 rupees. Then twice, see here, twice is the rhyming word of price. In case of price, ICE is sounded as ice, and by adding PR, price. In case of twice also TWI, twi, and by adding CE it will be twice. Twice means two times. Then clay, LAY is sounded as lay, Y is silent, and by adding C, clay. Clay means it's a sticky kind of earth. When it is wet you can mold it. Different colorful clay is used in case of craft, we all know this. Pray, RAY is sounded as ray, this is the rhyming word of clay, and by adding P it will be pray. Pray means to say something to God, like God please save us, please save us in our trouble, that is called pray. Began, began is the past form of begin. Begin means start. So, and here began, began, gan, began. Two different syllables. Began means started. And begun. Here begun is the third form or past participle form of begin. You haven't read it, but when we have just finished doing something, in that case we use this word begun, like he has just begun writing. BEBGUN, gun, two different syllables. Bing, BEING, bing. Bing means living, like we say human being, and we know that humans are living things. ING is sounded as ink, and by adding B it will be bing. Become, two syllables. BEB, come is separate syllable. Become, become means to begin with, like he has become a doctor. So it means he is going to work as a doctor. He is going to begin his work as a doctor. Float, FLOAT. Here OAT is oat, and by adding FL, float. Float means when you can see something on the surface of the water but it is not sinking, that is called float. Like we can see that the ball is floating on the water. Okay, the plastic ball is floating on the water. Coast, OAST, oast. Here A is silent, oast, and by adding C it will be coast. Coast means the place near the sea, that is called coast. Soak, OAK, oak. A is silent, and by adding S it will be a soak. Soak means when you are helping something to deep into the water, like we soak rice into the water before we cook. So this is called soak. In case of float, something you can see on the surface of the water, but in case of soak you have to help something to enter inside the water, that is called soak. Then the next word is roar. Here last R is sounded very slightly. Roar. And here roar means we know that loud deep sound is a sound of lion is called roar. Then soil. OIL is oil, and by adding s, soil. Soil means the upper surface of the earth is called soil. OIL is oil, and by adding sp the next word is spoil. Spoil means destroy. Coin. Oin. OIN is sounded as oin, and by adding c the next word is coin. Coin means it's a metal thing which is used as money, like 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin. Okay, then the next word is ois. OICE, ois. By adding v it will be voice. And here voice means the sound which comes from human beings, that is called voice. And n, ai, when, vain, when. Here ain is sounded as n, and by adding v it will be vain. Vain means fail, like you are trying in vain. That I want to say that you are trying but it is of no use. You will get failure, you will get you will not get any result. This is called vain. Okay. Rail. RAIL, rail. Rail means railway track, we know. Lead. AID, ed. And by adding l it will be lead. So lead means we know that lay means to put down something, and its past form is laid. Raise. RAIAC, AIAC. Here I is not clearly sound s, and by adding r it will be raise. Raise means we know that we raise our hand, we lift our hand. Raise means lift, like raising our hand to say something. So students, now I am concluding here. Hope you have understood. You will read in this way, and I will do the rest of the part of this page in our next video. Thank you, students. Hello students, welcome back to the next part of this video. Okay, today we are reading page number 30. We have read up to the word raise. Now we will begin with the word better. See the first word in this video. The first word is better. BETTER. Bet is another syllable. TER, tar, is another syllable. Better. Better means, see, two things are there. Both things are good, but one thing is more good than the other. And which thing is more good than the other? That is called better. Then cutter. CUT, cut, one syllable. TER, tar, another syllable. Cutter. Cutter means the person who cuts something, who cuts wood, who cuts trees. That person is called cutter. Okay. Then knitter. KNIT, knit. We have already read this word in our previous classes. K is silent. Knit means you're doing something using the wool. Knit. And then tar, TER, tar. Knitter. Knitter means what is the meaning of knitter? Knitter means the person who is making something using wool. That person is called knitter. That means who knits, that person is called knitter. Then spanner. SPAN, span. NER, nar. Two different syllables. Span, nar. Spanner means it's a kind of tool which is used to twist some nut. Okay. That is, or to twist some bolt, that is called spanner. Rage. Too much anger is called rage. RAGE, rage. Okay. Then tread. TRADE, tread. Here ADE is sounded as aid, and by adding TR it will be tread, but only one syllable. Trade means dealing, business, like the act of buying or selling something. Grave. GRAVE, grave. Grave means very serious. And here AVE is sounded as F. By adding GR it will be grave. And there is one more meaning of grave. Tomb is also called grave. Like when people die, their dead bodies are kept inside the coffin. Generally we can find it in case of Christians. They put their dead bodies in a coffin and then put it in under the ground. So such kinds of places are called grave. Waste. Waste means using something carelessly, that is called waste. waste, waste. Okay. Only one syllable. Bread. bread, bread. um, Here read, red, and by adding b it will be bread. And you know bread means, we all know, we have it, it's a food, we have it at the time of breakfast. Spread. read is sounded as red, and by adding sp it will be spread, but one syllable. Spread means to open out something, to extend something, like they are spreading grains for the birds. Okay. Then instead. In one syllable, and then stead. stead, stead, instead. Instead means in place of, that means in exchange of this thing, we can say that at that time instead. Then ready. rea is silent, re, and dyd, two different syllables. Ready means in a position when you can do something. Enter. enn. And ready means not in position. Ready is it's a kind of state where you can do something, like I am ready to perform. Enter. Two different syllables. enter, tar. Enter means to go into something, that is called enter. Tender. ten, dar. Tender means very soft, we know. Spider. We all know spider, it's a kind of insect which has 8 legs. SPI, spy, and DER, dar. Poker. POKER, car. Poker. Poker means cards, we can also say, and there is one more meaning. It's a kind of metal rod which we use to which we use to ignite the fire, that is called poker. And dance. Dance, it's body movement with rhythm, that is called dance. ANC is sounded ans, and by adding d, dance. Dancing. DANC, dance, one syllable. ING, ink, another syllable. Dancing means the continuous form of dance is called dancing. Like she is dancing, that means right now she is doing this. Chance. We know chance means opportunity, like I have got chance to show my talent, that is called chance. Like chance, ance is sounded at ants, and by adding ch it will be chance. And glance. ANC is ans, by adding gl, glance. Glance mean hurried look, that means you gave your look on something very fast, and then you removed your look, that is called glance. Work. WORK, work. Work means something where you put your physical and mental effort, that is called work. WORK, one syllable. Since. 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 INCE sounded as ins, by adding s, since. Since means past, or you can say since means because. Okay. And in case of past tense, you can also use this word since, that since that time I have not seen him. And here it is, since is used as past tense. And when since is used as because, that he is not coming to school since he is suffering from fever. Okay. Change. Or you can say that he was not coming to school since he was suffering from fever. In case of past tense, you can use this word. And since means also because. Change. CHANGE, change. ANG is change, and by adding CH, change. Change means like you leave one thing, and instead of that you are taking another thing, that is called change. And the continuous form of change is called changing. CHANG, change, and by adding ING it will be ing. Changing. Change is another syllable, ing is another syllable. We can use this word that she is changing the dress. Okay. So students, I am concluding here. Hope you have understood. Now you have to read this in this way at home. Thank you, students.